Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use reroll on Monopoly Go. So, in Monopoly Go, the reroll feature allows you to reroll the dice for another chance at a more favorable outcome during the gameplay. Here's how you can use the reroll feature effectively. The first way is activate a reroll. While playing, when you roll the dice and land on a tile you're not happy with, for example, losing coins or landing on an unfavorable property, you can choose to use a reroll or to roll again. The reroll feature typically appears as an option immediately after a dice rolls that you want to change. Now, keep in mind that rerolls are limited resource, so use them wisely. You may get a few rerolls through events, daily rewards, or special missions, but after you run out, you might need to wait or purchase more if available. You'll also have to save your rerolls for critical moments such as avoiding landing on a property with high rent, getting closer to key bonus tiles or event rewards, also maximizing your moves when close to completing a landmark or collection on the board. You can earn an extra reroll by daily login rewards, completing tasks and missions, and participating in in-game events where rerolls may be a part of the prize pool. By mastering the reroll feature in Monopoly Go, you can improve your chances of progressing faster and avoiding unnecessary penalties or losses during the gameplay. So that's how you use reroll on Monopoly Go. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.